Hello, everyone. Imagine a young student named Alex, fresh out of college, full of dreams about becoming a software developer. He's spent years learning to code, excited about building apps that change the world. But suddenly, news headlines scream, AI is taking over coding jobs. Alex wonders, is his career over before it even starts? Today, we're diving into this story through 5 big questions that thousands of coders like Alex are asking right now. 1. Is AI going to replace coding jobs? 2. With so many students around the world learning coding, what will happen to them? 3. Does AI have the ethical judgment and efficiency to handle unexpected challenges? 4. Can AI code more professionally and faster than an expert human? 5. With millions of people already in this industry, what does the future hold for them? Stick with me as we explore Alex's journey. It's a story of change, challenge, and opportunity. If you're a coder, aspiring developer, or just curious about tech's future, this is for you. Let's get started. Let's follow Alex as he enters the real world in 2026. First question, is AI going to replace coding jobs? Picture coding like crafting a beautiful wooden table. In the past, every nail and cut was done by hand. Now AI is like a powerful electric saw. It cuts wood faster for simple parts. Tools like GitHub Copilot or advanced agents can write boilerplate code, fix small bugs, or even suggest whole functions in seconds. But here's the twist. AI isn't replacing the carpenter. It's helping build bigger, more complex furniture faster. Recent reports show AI has hit entry-level jobs hard. Many junior positions vanished because AI handles routine tasks that new grads used to do. Companies are producing more code with fewer people in basic roles. Yet, overall, the industry isn't shrinking, it's evolving. Experts predict AI will create new jobs in areas like designing AI systems, overseeing complex projects, or building secure, innovative software. It's not total replacement, it's transformation. Alex realizes basic coding gigs are tougher to find, but skilled roles are growing. Now let me ask you something very simple. Did calculators replace accountants? Did automation replace carpenters? Did Google replace teachers? No. They changed the profession. They didn't destroy it. What about all those thousands of students learning coding globally? Alex looks around and sees boot camps overflowing, online courses booming. What happens to them? It's like the invention of cars. When cars arrived, horse buggy drivers worried. Many jobs changed, but new ones exploded: mechanics, road builders, drivers for bigger vehicles. Similarly, AI is shaking up entry-level coding. Studies from 2025 show a drop in jobs for young developers, with some reports noting 20 to 50% fewer hires for new grads. Boot camps report lower placement rates. But the story doesn't end there. Students who adapt thrive. Those learning just basic syntax struggle more now. But ones diving into system design, AI integration, problem-solving in real-world messes, they're in demand. Alex decides to upskill, learn how to guide AI, understand architecture, and tackle big-picture problems. The future belongs to coders who use AI as a superpower, not compete against it. Does AI have ethical judgment and efficiency for unforeseen edge cases? Now, Alex works on a real project, an app for a hospital. One day, a rare bug pops up. Unusual patient data causes the app to crash. AI is great at common patterns. It's trained on billions of code examples. It writes clean code for everyday stuff quickly. But edge cases? Those weird, rare scenarios? AI often misses them. It lacks true understanding or ethics. It might suggest code that's efficient but insecure or biased if trained on flawed data. AI doesn't think about consequences like privacy, fairness, or long-term maintainability the way humans do. In Alex's case, AI-generated code looked perfect, but failed in that one-in-a-million situation. Humans spot nuances, make moral calls, and foresee risks. AI hallucinates wrong solutions or overlooks vulnerabilities. Efficiency? For simple tasks, yes, but for tricky, unpredictable ones, humans still win. Alex learns, AI is a fast draft writer, but you need human judgment to polish and protect. Can AI do coding more professionally and faster than an expert? Here is the honest answer. AI can code faster, but not wiser. AI is excellent for repetitive tasks, boilerplate code, debugging suggestions, but humans are better at architecture decisions, creative problem solving, understanding real-world chaos. The future belongs to coders who use AI, not coders who ignore it. What's the future for the huge number of people already in this industry? Millions of coders worldwide, from seniors to mid-level pros. Is there room? The industry is booming with AI. More software needed than ever. Apps, AI itself, smart systems. Productivity gains mean teams build more, faster, creating demand for overseers, innovators, and specialists. But shifts happen. Routine jobs automate. Premium ones grow. Coders who embrace AI, learning to orchestrate agents, focus on creativity, ethics, and big designs. Advance. Those resisting? Tougher road. Alex's future brightens. He becomes an AI-augmented architect, guiding tools to build amazing things. The volume of coders means a vibrant community, but success comes from vigilance, constant learning, adapting to challenges. So, Alex's story? It's ongoing, full of hurdles but endless potential. AI isn't the villain stealing jobs. It's the storm changing the landscape. Coders who stay vigilant, upskill, and partner with AI will not just survive, they'll lead the next wave. If you're a coder, start today. Experiment with AI tools. Deepen your problem solving. Think ethically. The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities. Also, learn how to work with AI. Please subscribe if you like this video. Now, let me tell you something important. This video you are watching right now was created using HeyGen. No camera, no studio, no lighting, no editing skills, no Photoshop. HeyGen's AI video agent takes a simple idea or text and turns it into a complete professional video. Think about your current workflow: writing scripts, filming, editing, managing tools or people. HeyGen collapses all of that into one single step. YouTube hooks, done. Social media clips, done. Explainer videos, done. If video production speed was your advantage, that advantage just disappeared. And if you avoided video because it felt complicated, that barrier just vanished. The creators and businesses who move first will build audiences faster than ever before. Click the link below and start free with HeyGen.